Okay, here we are going to go through a practice of Mrs. NERG. We're going to use it on a frog. So when I'm asking you to say what each letter of Mrs. NERG means, the 7 characteristics of living things, and then give evidence. This is an example of a frog. For your learning log, I'd like you to use something other than frog because I'm giving you the answers for frog. Okay, but this is to give you ideas of what I mean by examples. So, Mrs. NERG, movement. What's evidence that frogs move? I have seen a frog hop. Okay, you should pick something that's easy, like a frog. Don't do frog, but do something that's easy, that you can see, and that you know. Okay, we'll get into the harder things later. From that sort, pick something that's easy. So movement, I've seen a frog hop. That's easy, right? That's my example. R, reproduction. I have found frog eggs. Okay, or I've seen baby frogs. Okay, any of those, fine. Sensitivity. I have seen a frog jump into the water because it senses I am there. I've seen a frog hop away. I've seen a frog chase a fly, anything that's reacting to its environment. Okay. Nutrition. I have watched a frog catch and eat a bug. Okay. Pick something that you have seen or that you know happens. You can, if you haven't watched a frog catch and eat a bug, but you say, I know that frogs eat bugs, that's fine. Okay? Oops. Jumped ahead. Okay, well, these are the rest of them, I guess. Eliminates waste. Once I held a frog and it peed in my hand. Or I know frogs pee, whatever. Okay? Respiration. When you keep a frog at home, you need to make sure the container has holes so it can get air to breathe. Okay? You can also, if you've observed a frog, I can see it breathing in and out. I can see it's expanding and contracting, expanding, going out. Okay, I can see it's breathing. Okay? And growth. I've watched frog eggs hatch into tadpoles and grow into frogs. Or if you haven't actually watched it, I know that they can. Okay? This is your evidence. That's how you do evidence. Pick an easy one that you can clearly say you know happens. Okay? Good luck. Have fun.